Hi, I'm Kylie Amundsen, and this is my technology glossary. So here are my personal details. My name is Kylie Amundsen. There is my phone number, my University of Minnesota email. I grew up in St. Francis, Minnesota, which is about 40 minutes north. It's kind of by Anoka and Andover and Blaine, if you know those cities. I'm currently living in a house in Dinkytown, right in Minneapolis, and I go to the U of M. I'm a female, and my birthday is January 25th, 1998. My education. So I'm currently a student at the University of Minnesota Twin Cities. I'm pursuing a bachelor's degree. I'm in the College of Education and Human Relations. My major is Human Resources, and I have a minor in Spanish Studies and HRIR, which is in the Carlson School of Management. Here are some of my skills that I've acquired over the years: training and development, organizational development, leadership, public speaking, business management, Microsoft Office, customer service, staff education and training, and future trend analysis. Here's some of my work experience. My current job that I've done the past 2 summers and into the fall is customer service at Victory Links Golf Course in Blaine, Minnesota. There I was the cart girl, and I served in the restaurant as well. A little bit about it is I played a vital role in outdoor and indoor events at the golf course. I served golfers with food and beverages, ensuring a high level of beverage cart and grill revenue. I managed a wide variety of customer service and administrative tasks to resolve customer issues quickly and efficiently. I worked with a lot of money, and I had to be quick on my feet when working with the money, so that is also a very nice skill. Another job that I recently have done is I was an assistant dance team coach for Andover High School. And there I managed the dance team program that has more than 50 students on it every year. There I implemented exercise programs and training strategies for individual and team performance. I cultivated community and media relations to support the program through social media and email every day by talking to parents in the community and other sports teams at the high school. And another one of my jobs that I've had in the past is I was a dance teacher at Vogue Dance Company in Andover, Minnesota. Here I instructed and trained young dancers to help them become a competitive dancer and a member of our community. I taught groups of up to 15 students with a particular focus on ballet, jazz, and tap. And I provided one-on-one instruction to the students by appointment as well. My interests. This photo here is a picture of my current dance team here at the University of Minnesota. I'm the captain of the Premier Dance Team. I love to dance, and it's one of my greatest passions in life, as you can see through my work history. And being a captain, I've learned many skills that have helped me with my leadership and my communicating skills as well. And it's just a great part of my life that really has made me who I am today. And lastly, here are my references. Each one of these people has made a huge impact on my leadership skills, and they've been great mentors to me. First is Jo Wilbanks. She was my supervisor at the golf course, and her information's there. Tom Kirkland, he was also one of my supervisors on the other side of the golf course when I worked more in the pro shop and I was doing picking and outdoor things, not so much customer service, and he's the head golf pro there, and that's his information. And Michelle Stack, she is my current dance team coach, and I've gotten to know her very well because I am a captain now, and through being her student, she's taught me a lot of leadership skills as well. So that's all I have. Thank you for your time. Bye.